Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoAl Predictor, where we combine advanced AI modeling with deep dive protocol analysis to find the next generation of market leaders. Today, we're breaking down a project that isn't just another DeFi app. It's a platform designed to change how the world builds and governs decentralized companies. We are looking at a project that has successfully bridged the gap between social trading, meritocratic governance, and institutional grade transparency. Stick around until the very end, because after we explore the massive upgrades this ecosystem has seen in early 2026, we'll reveal why our AI models have set a high conviction price target for this coin during this bull run. Subscribe to support the channel and never miss an AI-driven update. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any decisions in the crypto market. The governance gap, fixing the whale problem in the early days of crypto. Decentralized autonomous organizations had a major flaw. The person with the most money had the most power, regardless of their expertise. This led to slow, inefficient, and often unfair decision-making. This is the governance bottleneck, and DeXe protocol was built to break it. In 2026, DeXe has established itself as the premier DAO constructor, providing the tools to build organizations where contribution and expertise carry more weight than just a large wallet. What is DeXe protocol? The modular DAO engine DeXe protocol is a decentralized governance infrastructure that allows users to create, manage, and scale highly sophisticated DAOs without needing a developer team. It's essentially a business in a box for the Web3 era. Key innovations in 2026: the DAO constructor, a no-code interface that lets groups set up complex rules, multi-sig treasuries, and voting mechanisms in minutes. Meritocratic governance. DeXe allows organizations to reward active participants with non-transferable voting power, ensuring that those who do the work are the ones who make the decisions. AI agent integration. As we move through 2026, DeXe has pioneered policy as code, allowing AI agents to handle routine treasury management while staying strictly within the rules set by the human community. Multi-chain expansion. While it started on Ethereum and BNB chain, the protocol has now integrated with major Layer 2s and ecosystems like Swissborg, creating a truly omni-chain governance experience. Massive ecosystem growth and liquidity. As of late January 2026, the DeXe ecosystem has reached a critical tipping point. The project isn't just a concept anymore. It's an economic powerhouse. The Bitham milestone. The recent listing on Bitham, South Korea's leading exchange, has opened the floodgates for Asian market liquidity, connecting decentralized governance with one of the world's most active trading hubs. High-yield staking. The protocol currently offers highly competitive APRs for stackers, with over 500 million units worth of value locked in the network. This drastically reduces the circulating supply, setting the stage for a major supply-side squeeze. Institutional adoption. We are seeing major players like DWF Labs participate in the ecosystem, providing the institutional validation needed for the next leg up. The DEXE token. The heart of meritocracy, the DEXE token is the native utility asset that powers this entire machine. It serves three critical functions that drive its value as the network grows. Protocol security. Staking DEXE is required to secure the decentralized infrastructure and participate in high-level governance. Reward distribution. The protocol uses its treasury to reward active participants and expert voters, creating a virtuous cycle of engagement. Governance utility. DEXE is used to vote on the most important updates, including how the platform's massive treasury, currently valued over 1.5 billion units, is spent. With a total supply capped at 96.5 million tokens and a significant portion already staked or locked in treasuries, the actual liquid supply of DEXE is becoming incredibly scarce just as demand is hitting record highs. The AI prediction. Targeting 16 US now. Let's look at the numbers our AI models have been crunching. We've analyzed the 102% APR staking incentives, the recent 3 million unit daily volume surges on major exchanges, and the historical price patterns that saw DEXE reach an all-time high of over 32 units in previous cycles. Our AI looks at the infrastructure narrative. In 2026, The market is no longer just betting on coins. It's betting on the infrastructure that makes Web3 possible. As the leading DAO as a service provider, DeXe is capturing a massive portion of the value moving into decentralized organizations. The AI prediction. Based on the current supply to staking ratio and the projected institutional inflows following the Bitham integration, our AI predicts that DeXe protocol could reach a target of 16 US during this bull run. Why 16 US is a realistic goal to reach 16 US? DEX would only need to reclaim about 50% of its previous all-time high. In a market where utility and real-world adoption are finally taking center stage, a 16-unit target represents a very grounded recovery for a project that handles over 1.5 billion units in total treasury value. At this price point, DEX would be valued as a mid-cap leader in the governance space, a fair valuation for the protocol that is effectively the operating system for the future of decentralized business. Final thoughts. The new era of governance DeXe protocol is proving that the future of finance is about more than just moving money. It's about how we collaborate. By giving communities the tools to be fair, fast, and transparent, they are building the foundation for a more equitable digital world. Keep a close eye on the DAO creation stats and the Bitham trading volumes throughout 2026. The transition from centralized to decentralized governance is moving fast, and DeXe is leading the charge. Thank you for tuning into CryptoAl Predictor. We appreciate your support as we track the future of decentralized organizations.